Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are gonna be out here ice fishing on the lake. Gonna give it a try. Alright, I think this will do. Okay everyone, so we are out here and this little spot's kind of just on the edge, but that's alright. We're gonna give it a try. I actually attempted to come fishing a week or two ago, and I'll put a little clip in on how that went. But yeah, so we're gonna get unpacked here. I worked today, so I just got off of work and I'm actually a little bit hungry because it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're gonna got some food that I bought and we're gonna have a good time. But first off, we have to get some holes drilled, so let's give that a go. So let's give that a try. Well, it started. We're going to let that thing warm up for a minute and see if we can get a couple holes out of it. Oh, I'm happy that that thing ran good enough to pop 2 holes. Part of the reason I'm out here today is I kind of want to do a little bit of a dry test for when I come out here to camp. So I'm trying out like these puzzle pieces. I've had these in the garage forever. I want to get an idea of how much space they take up and stuff like that. So I just kind of wanted to do a little bit of a dry test. So this Predator has just been sitting outside in the bed of this truck for weeks, and like I said, it's been like 20 below, so let's see if it starts easy. Come on, baby. Start. About 16 feet of water. Oh, it's not bad. There we go. No. Okay. Oh. All right. So you guys can see I got my work boots on and stuff. My pants are frozen. I did bring a change of clothes. But, yeah, so we're going to get changed up here. And I got my muck boots. That'll be a lot warmer. Alright. Oh, got out of my work clothes and now I'm into some comfier, clothes. But, not seeing much on the flasher yet. But, something might come around. I'm just gonna hang out here, watch these lines for a couple minutes, and then I will get that little grill going, and we'll get some food after my midday snack. So what I brought is brats. So I'm probably only gonna cook like 1 or 2 of these, but it should be good. Person's flying. Flasher's lit up a little bit, and this minnow is kind of bobbing weird. Yep. Don't lose it. Oh, I might have lost it. Oh, I did. I just came in here for 1 second to warm up while my food's out there cooking. Ah, oh, dang. Okay. Back down we go. Okay. Sit down here. Oh. Come on. Oh yeah. Haha. Success. Sorry, I had to throw you guys on the ground. Got a perch. Awesome. Little perch. Sorry I had to sit you down on the ground like that. My tripod's outside. I'm cooking food. Came in here just to warm up. There we go. Oh, came here just to warm up for a second. And we had a fish on. Oh, okay, let's try this again. I gotta go check that food. I don't have a plate. Nothing. Oh yeah. That's pretty nice. We caught a perch. A lot of times I go out and try to do these videos and I don't get anything, and I go to edit it and it just seems so boring to me that never makes it, because it's like, what's the point? I mean, at least this one I got 1 fish so far. Maybe I'll get more, but at least it gives me something to show you guys. Oh, got my brats. Yummy. Ooh. It's cold out there. Oh. My propane, my little 1 pound propane cylinder wasn't brand new or 100% full, so it kept freezing. Whew. I tell you, having that fan makes a huge difference in how it feels in here. Normally, this is the first time I've ever ran a fan in here. Normally the cold air kind of seeps through on the edge, and you can see all the light coming through here. I didn't even pack it very good, but that cold air comes in and gets your feet cold. But this whole entire thing feels so just equal warm. It really made a huge difference in here. I did get a little bit of action on this one that you can't quite see. Something was playing around with it, but it went away. It was probably a perch or something. It was on my flasher, and then it disappeared, so but it was kind of tugging on it a little bit. Okay everyone, so it has been a few hours. We caught one perch, we had some food, we've just been hanging out in here. It's getting later though. I'd like to go home and see my family, so I'm gonna wrap everything up. But this was mainly just a rundown or run through of all of my gear to make sure that everything's working and ready to do the overnight trip. So we'll keep an eye open for that. The temperature should start to warm up here pretty soon, and then we can get out and have a fun overnight. I've been looking forward to it for most of this winter. So yeah, let's get everything packed up and head on out. I would like to go and swing past like the little ice towns that are out here so you guys can kind of see what that looks like, and then we'll hit the road. There's not a lot of things that make me super nervous about ice fishing, but these blades definitely do. This is a laser blade, which means it's pretty much as sharp as you could ever imagine. I've sliced my hand on these blades one time, and then this year when I was starting it up, I had just bought these new Arctic Pro boots. I started it up and it caught, this was sitting by the blades, I picked it up and revved it. It caught one of these, wrapped around my foot, and pulled my boot in. Cut the top of my brand new boots wide open right through. Oh, such a disappointment because they're supposed to be nice waterproof boots. But these blades are no joke, and I get really nervous around them because I got sliced the one time, and boy, it was a bleeder, that's for sure. So I do not like auger blades. That's why you might have seen it, I had it tucked halfway under the truck. I always do that now after I cut myself because I'm so worried if I trip and fall, it'll somehow catch me. So there's one there, and there's kind of one back there. Well, there's a whole bunch. So we'll cut across to there. Hopefully there's a way we can cut left, and then we'll show you all that. My favorite types are the homemade ones. So I feel like that's really what it's all about. People get pretty fancy with the ice castles and the Yetis, and person has flags on there. pretty cool. So that's the one little spot there. Now we'll see if we can make it. Oh man, this road is beat up. These ones are always pretty unique. It's a pop-up camper that they took the pop-up apart and they framed it in. That's an old school pop-up, but very cool. That one's like a legitimate pull-behind old school camper. Let's see if we can get a little side view of it. Yeah, so there's always a lot going on out here. People really get into it, and I guess if you're from the warmer states, you might not see this every day, but that one's a bunkhouse. That one's kind of homemade. Very cool. I'd like to make one day, just to, that way you can really customize it and make it your own. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming out fishing with me, and I guess we'll go fishing again soon. Hopefully it'll be the overnight trip. That'll be a fun one. But it's good to get out and just have some good food and hang out. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.